In a narration found in Jamia Tirmizi, number 661, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that when a Muslim donates a tiny amount of charity, such as a single date fruit from lawful earnings, Allah, the Exalted, will give reward on Judgment Day equivalent to a large mountain. The first thing to note is that Allah, the Exalted, is only pleased with wealth which is obtained lawfully and utilized in a lawful manner. Any wealth which is obtained unlawfully will corrupt any righteous deed it is used upon, such as charity or performing the holy pilgrimage with it. A narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2346, clearly warns that a person's supplication will be rejected if they obtain and utilize the unlawful. If one's supplication is rejected, how can any other action be accepted by Allah, the Exalted? Finally, this narration indicates the importance of spending in any way which pleases Allah, the Exalted, such as spending on one's needs and the needs of their dependents. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 4006. Allah, the Exalted, will greatly reward those who spend in the correct way according to their intention, meaning the quality of their spending and not according to quantity. Therefore, Muslims should correct their intention by spending for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Irrespective of how much or little it is, it is important for a Muslim to spend according to their means and never worry about how much or little they spend. It is hoped that whoever spends according to their means will be granted reward according to the infinite status of Allah, the Exalted, which is beyond comprehension. But the one who holds back will miss out on this great reward. In addition, the main narration also includes using one's other lawful worldly blessings in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, such as aiding others emotionally and physically. As long as one aids others in what is good for the sake of pleasing Allah, the Exalted, and they do not seek gratitude or praise from people, they will receive an uncountable reward.